Hello Space Ultra viewers! We are back to you with an update on NASA's InSight lander. NASA's InSight lander could end its mission on Mars within a year due to dropping power levels. InSight landed on Mars in November 2018 on a mission to measure seismic activity and study the red planet's deep interior. Despite some snags with one of its two primary instruments, InSight has met all of its top-level mission objectives. InSight's two-year primary mission ended at the end of 2020, and NASA approved a two-year extension to continue the mission's measurements. InSight lander tried a novel approach to remove dust clinging to one of its solar panels. On May 22, 2021, the 884th Martian day, or SOL, of the mission, the lander's robotic arm trickled sand above the panel. As wind carried the sand grains across the panel, they picked up some dust along the way, enabling the lander to gain about 30 watt-hours of energy per SOL. Mission planners knew dust buildup on the lander's solar panels could limit the mission's longevity, but officials hoped wind gusts or dust devils might periodically clear off the fan-shaped arrays. So far, that hasn't happened. Mars is approaching aphelion July 12, the point in its orbit where it is farthest from the Sun. That's when InSight's solar rays will receive minimum energy from the Sun, and temperatures at the spacecraft's landing site will be near their lowest. That's going to be extremely challenging in order to operate through that, especially with the instruments. Ground teams at JPL have managed to keep InSight's seismometer operating as the lander's power levels have declined. For a time, scientists expected that the lander's entire science payload would have to be shut off for 6 months. At best, that would have resulted in a big data gap in InSight science results. At worst, officials worried InSight would have been unable to survive the treacherous period around aphelion. Now managers are hopeful the lander will make it through the next few months. And there's a chance the seismometer could remain operational. Most of the other sensors have either been turned off or are being operated sporadically. This is resulting in an unfortunate hole in the meteorological data and the magnetic field data. InSight's team has tried the same technique several more times, each giving a marginal boost to the lander's power output. Before attempting to sprinkle sand over the solar arrays, engineers sent commands to activate the spacecraft's solar panel deployment motors to shake the dust off. But that didn't succeed. As Mars begins traveling closer to the Sun, more solar energy should allow InSight to begin generating more electricity. But the improvement may only be temporary until dust storm season begins next year. Despite the instrument woes and the declining power generation, which was expected, InSight has been a success. The mission was the first to detect Marsquakes, yielding insights into the Martian interior that will help scientists chart Martian evolution and compare the planet's evolution with that of Earth. That's all from NASA's InSight mission update. Hope you all loved it. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.